Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to check website internal search data in Google Analytics and how to set up it. So let's see. First of all, you have to log in your Google Analytics account and then go to admin and then go to data stream and then click here whatever the website you are using, and here you can see enhance measurement. Click on configure enhance measurement icon and then click here show advanced setting. If it is not enabled, you have to enable it. By default, Google Analytics already added few query parameters, so you can add your if you have different query parameter. Most of the website has these query parameters in their search. So suppose this is your website and here you can see your the search. This search has query parameter q, so you can add here q and then you can save it. And now you can see the reports. Go to the reports and scroll down, and here you have to click on events. In the event section you can see the data. It will show you view search results name, so you can find event name view search results. And if you recently added, it might take 1 or 2 days to show up here, so you should wait and then check. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day.